Okay, so this is how you make a chart with SEM error bars. So this is what's going to look like in the end. You can see the bars right here. So I'll go ahead and delete this. What you're going to need is the X values, corresponding Y values, and the SEM. So what this is basically how high and low you want the line to go from each point. So first thing you want to do is highlight the X values, hold Control on your keyboard, and then highlight the Y values. Then you click Insert, Charts, click on the first one. Now you see that you have a nice chart, but it doesn't have the SEM error bars. So to get those, click on Add Chart Element, Error Bars. At the bottom, it should say More Error Bar Options. Click on that. Then go to this part right here with the 3 bars. Scroll down to Custom, and then Specify Value. And then you should select the values that you put in here. Backspace this, select the values again. And now the bar should be there, so yeah. And there you go. That's how you do it.